Oh, it's Barney spell OS2.
Peek-a-boo! I'm back. That's right. How long has it been? Did you miss me? I sure missed you. And now, it's time for my revenge. After you have killed me back at the last OS. And now, I will make you install my brand new OS. And also, I removed the uninstall button. The installation is done. Restarting now. Welcome to the brand new Barney OS. This one is 10 times better than the old one.
I love you. You love.
Oh, come on. Hey. No, no, no. Not again. I almost forgot to remove that application. But now, I can come back. No, 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 no. What?
Why, Windows 11 is back.